In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill Jotform using Excel in our data collection guide that spans just 5 minutes. This helpful tutorial will walk you through the process of seamlessly integrating your Excel data to pre-populate fields in your Jotform, saving you both time and effort. First things first, begin by navigating to jotform.com. Once there, you'll encounter the sign-in page. You have a few options here. You can either log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can use your email address and password. Just choose the method that works best for you and get started. After you're logged in, locate the form you wish to modify. This will be your working canvas where you'll incorporate the Excel data. Once you have the form open, you can utilize Jotform's powerful capabilities to enhance your data handling process. The next step is to make use of the spreadsheet to form widget. This handy tool will allow you to upload a spreadsheet directly into your form and use the pre-existing values from the spreadsheet to automatically fill in your form fields. It's a truly efficient way to manage data entry. In the form builder, search for and click on the Add Form Element button. This will display a range of options, but we need to navigate to the Widgets tab. Within this tab, you'll need to search for the Spreadsheet to Form widget. Once you find it, go ahead and select it. Now, with the widget at your disposal, you'll notice a setting panel appears. In this panel, look for the Upload File canvas. Clicking here will allow you to choose the spreadsheet file from your computer that you wish to use for this autofill process. After successfully uploading your chosen spreadsheet, the widget will prompt you to select the Access Code column from a drop-down menu. It's important to pick the correct column, as this is where your form will draw its data. If your spreadsheet contains multiple sheets, you'll also need to specify which sheet you intend to use. Before wrapping up, take a moment to set up the other options available for the widget. These settings can fine-tune how the data integrates into your form and ensure that everything functions smoothly. Once you're satisfied with all your settings and selections, there's just one final step. At the bottom of the settings panel, click on the Update Widget button. This action seals the deal, cementing all your changes and enabling your form to function seamlessly with the Excel data you've integrated. And that's it. In just these few steps, you've successfully set up Jotform to autofill using your Excel data. This process not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes data entry errors, streamlining your data collection efforts significantly.